How to get 100 Google search result. For example, you can see this is a plumbing service or plumbing. You can search anything on Google, then you can see only 10 result you can showing this skin, but you need to change your skin more time. But here is one solution. Just go to Google, then here type 100 charts result, then you can click on enter. Otherwise you can add extension. So you can see this is a fast extension. You can add your Chrome browser, then click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Wow, it's already added. So here we go, just going plumbing, then again charts, then you can see active showing 100 result. At the left corner you can see, if I zoom this skin,